We're about to take a stab at pulling the transmission. We don't have a jack, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna loosen the bolts, lower the truck, and then drop it onto some wood, and then we can move it from there.
So as we do this, we're obviously gonna disconnect any electrical going into the transmission.
Here, hold on, watch.
We believe there should be about 8 bolts holding the transmission, 8 15mm bolts, but we think that these 2 are missing, so it's now 6.
This shit is so taxing on your hands. Your arms.
That's what she said.
One more time. Is the battery disconnected?
No.
Oh!
It's not smart.
Don't forget to disconnect the battery, kids. So now we're gonna loosen the cross member bolts before we lower it down. What size is this, Brandon?
21.
21.
21.
All night long.
Now just sleeping over for the next 3 months.
Cleanup time. Definitely don't be like us. We forgot to take the battery out before doing crucial things to this truck. Always be safe rather than sorry. I'd rather see your project finished before your life.
You're not gonna fucking die.
You fucking might, you never know. Cross member bolts out. Shout out Snap Home. So we're finishing taking off the starter that we started previously. All right, so there's the starter.
Can you make me a regular tea?
Yeah. So we got the shift boot off. It's pretty easy. You just pull it off from the top.
Can you give me some light? I can't see.
I'm legally blind.
This goddamn extension is this. Here, please. It's some extension, but not that one. Yeah, I need one. I need a small. But then it's too fucking tall. Dude, just get me a ratchet. Sometimes you gotta do
The old-fashioned way. So we're getting rid of these 2 bolts right here holding the cross member to the trans. Damn, Brandon.
Alright.
Beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful.
I mean, we don't really care about this trans, do we?
No way.
Alright.
I mean, I'm gonna try to sell it.
Do it the right way. Quote unquote. There it is. Get this junk out of here.
Yes, sir.
Dude, give me a chair.
Alright. A chair it is. A chair it is.
It might be good, it might not.
Alright, there it is. So here we have clutch. Now we have an empty hole. Glory hole. So now that this is out,
For sale, guys. 12,000 miles.
barely used.